Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller if there is a malfunction with it, for example. So you can't reset it. First step is use another controller to get into the home menu and select controllers. And then you push on the sync button for approximately 3 seconds, and then it will be automatically going into pairing mode. If it stays there, it will be then paired with your console, wireless, of course, as you can see. If you have another prop, you can shortly press on it to switch it off, and then switch it on by a button which you like to push. That means the sync will automatically done. You can also use an USB connection to your controller and your Nintendo Switch dock to pair these console with a wired way, because this is the safest way, of course, of connect your controller with the console if you have a malfunction. And in this case, of course, you can go and push on the sync button on the top to reset the controller and make a repairing, and then it will be automatically paired, as you can see. Judge Dan, controller repaired. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Zun zun.